everyone, how's everyone doing? So a lot of people asked me, how do we do a nice attractive money spell? I don't know what they mean by the term attractive money spell, but they asked me, how can we do a very powerful and an attractive money spell? So I thought, why not, let me bring in a beautiful attractive money spell which you can do for yourself, which you can also do for your clients. I will explain how you can do when it is for you or when you're doing it for your clients also, so that you can even try to do this for your clients when you want to do it. Okay, so now you need to figure in, this is very important. You can either take a green color male or a green color female representing the person for whom you're doing. I am just taking and doing a simple ritual so that in case many of my students, my spellcaster friends, healers do monthly rituals for clients on full moon and on new moon, they keep doing. So for that, what we can do is, you can even do this for your clients, and how you can do, I will explain. So first, in the center of the plate, now here I'm going to write the name of the person for whom I am doing this ritual. Okay, fine. So I've written the name of the person for whom I'm doing, and what I will do is, I love using my Magick enhancement oil when it comes to making magic for clients, because people said magical ritual for bringing money. So I'm using my magical enhancement oil. Now when I send to the clients, I send an 8 ml bottle which is of this size. This is my personal bottle which I keep for all my client work. So I'm just telling you all so that there's no confusion. Okay, now the oil is put. I will add a little bit of green glitter, easily available in the market. Green glitters you get easily in any of the provision stores, so that again the way you all asked, it looks magical. Okay, now you will carve the client's name at the back. You will keep this in the center. Now this is the person for whom you're doing, right? After this, what you can do is, you will surround it with green rice. Now those who want to know how to make the green rice, I will ask the team if they can put the green rice link when this video is coming here on the top, so that you can click it and you can learn how to make the green rice the way I make it, because I have also posted on YouTube how green rice is made. Okay, this is what I make and I give it to my clients for selling, or for this during the sale I bring this, because many people prefer that I give it to them. They feel with my hands it has some magic, so that's the reason I make it also for them. Now I'm going to make a small layer of green rice around the person for whom I'm making, very small, because again green rice, whether you make or whether you buy from me, it is costly. So we will not spend more green rice on one person. Now when you're making it for the client, each candle will be for each client. You cannot do one figurine for 10 people. Let me be very clear. And you'll have to surround it like this only. Okay, now this is the first layer, simple layer, which you will surround with green rice. Okay, then I make a mix of chamomile, 5-finger grass and hibiscus. This is chamomile, chamomile, 5-finger grass and hibiscus. Okay, and I put it around the last layer of my, after the green rice I put. Now if you're doing it for a client, you can do one more thing, because I'm doing it for a client and this is what I will be doing for them. That's the reason I'm telling you all. I take one high John, okay, I take one high John. I will be keeping it here in the corner of the plate so that the wax doesn't touch there, and after 10-15 minutes I usually take it out, and I take one 5 rupee coin. I prefer the golden coin. Okay, and I take one pyrite. Now this is a bigger chunk because my stock has got exhausted for the smaller chunks. Usually what I do is I give a smaller chunk. So now you will have to add one cinnamon stick. You can keep also if you want to keep. So basically what does this do? This brings money, right? So you can keep all the three inside. But if you feel, what if I forget, what if I miss it out, and what if the wax touches? Wax should not touch. Then what you can do is, you can make a bigger plate. You can keep it outside the plate also, or you can even keep it like this outside the plate, intending that it's getting energized. With this, if you want, you can add a cinnamon bark, and usually we don't send 4 things, so as 5 things. You can also add either a star anise, or you can add a sassafras, SASAFARAS, or juniper berry. One juniper berry you can add. this will be energized with the light of this candle when you're giving it to a client. So after this is completely burnt, you will put this in a green mojo bag or a yellow color mojo bag or a golden color mojo bag, whichever you want, and then you can send it to them. Now if you're doing it for yourself, after this is completely burnt, you can put this in a mojo bag and you can carry it. Now first time this spell I had done for me long back, and I had picked up this big chunk of high john. So now what I do is that high john is always there with me in my bedside, where I usually do all my readings, where I send all my mails, where I sit and do all my researches. Whatever I do, I sit there and do. So there I have kept that chunk. So that is more like a permanent chunk for me. So once a month what I do is, whenever I burn my candle, I keep that chunk and I energize it also. Okay, so that is one way you can do if you're doing it for yourself. Now if you're giving it to a client, with this you can give them, you can ask them to burn on every full moon just a small tea light candle, where they will burn the tea light candle and then they will energize this pouch on their own. Now if you are not going to send them this pouch, absolutely fine, you can just do this ritual also. Do it on Friday for the first 5 Fridays for you to see immediate results. And after those 5 Fridays, you can do on every new moon. You can do on every new moon, or you can do on every full moon. I would suggest do it on every new moon and every full moon also, so that you will get the best results. And even for your client, you can do it on every full moon and you can do it on every new moon also. Okay, so that's all about it. If you want, you can even add a cross candle if there's a lot of obstacles. But if you're doing it as a monthly ritual for clients, this is a simple yet a powerful ritual. If you're doing for yourself, start on a Friday, do it for 5 Fridays first, and then you can start doing it on every new moon and every full moon. So I hope it is clear. Do like the video, share it, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon as I always say. And if you liked it, let me know if you want me to bring in such more rituals where I can teach you all how you can do it for your clients also, so that you will get an idea as to how you can work with them. And once the candle is fully melted, what do? We will discard this. Some people, what they do is they put this in a green cloth, they wrap it and they keep it with them. You can even do that. If you want, you can even take this, break it into pieces and dig it in the plant which you have. Now I have a money plant and I have a beetle leaf plant in my home. If I want, I can dig that and I can put this and also keep it in that. More like intending that as the plant grows, my finances and my abundance is growing. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Have a great day, and do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.